Find the general term, which is the nth term, and the 23rd term of the sequence 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, so on, right? So the sequence given to us here is an arithmetic progression, and first let's figure out what are the parameters of the said progression. The first term, which for denoted by a, is 3, as you can see. This common difference, right, for which we use a variable d, is the difference between any two consecutive terms. So 1 minus 3 or minus 1 minus 1. So it's negative 2, right? So a is 3, d is minus 2, and we want to find the general term. Right? And the general term, you guys remember the formula for the general term or the nth term is Tn, which is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So this is the formula for the general term which we will be using in this sum. So we have the value for a and d already, so we can just substitute that here. Now, so a is equal to 3, so let's plug that value in. Plus n minus 1. Now understand, they've asked us for the general term or the nth term, so n is obviously unknown here, so we'll find the answer, we'll get the answer in terms of n, so we'll leave that as it is here, it's an unknown. And d we know is negative 2, so let's plug that in as well. All right. If I simplify this expression a little, I get it as 3 plus, or rather, if I'm multiplying a negative term inside, it becomes 3 minus 2n, and minus 2 into minus 1 will make it plus 2, right? So finally, if I have to say the general term or the nth term is equal to 3 plus 2, which is 5 minus 2n. This is the general term of this particular arithmetic progression. Okay, they've asked us to find the 23rd term as well of the sequence. Now remember, for the 23rd term, right, for the 23rd term, we'll consider the value of n to be 23, right? So this gives us T23 as 5 minus 2 into 23, right? Now, on simplifying this, I get T23, right, is equal to 223 is 46, so 5 minus 46 is negative 41, right? So I have found the general term, which is 5 minus 2n, and the 23rd term, which is negative 41. So I can write my final answer. General term, the general term is equal to 5 minus 2n, and the 23rd term is equal to negative 41. This is my final answer, which I can put in a rectangle.